Before you risk a single dollar in the Forex trading, there are 10 critical things you must understand. These fundamentals separate successful, consistent traders from those who blow their accounts within weeks. These 10 pillars are: market structure. Is the market on up, down, or sideways trend? Reading candlesticks. Is it bullish or bearish? Its opening, the high, the low, and the close. Support and resistance. Support is an area where price tends to bounce upward. Resistance is an area where price tends to reverse downward. These are zones, not single lines. Breakouts and fakeouts. Patience prevents losses. Fakeouts are designed to trap emotional traders. Confirm if it's a real breakout or a fakeout prior to entering a trade. Order blocks. Smart money concepts. Order blocks are areas where institutions, banks, hedge funds, smart money, previously placed large buy or sell orders. The price will either go high or drop with a large margin. Liquidity. This refers to areas where many traders have placed orders, usually stop losses or pending orders. Before making a big move, price often hunts these levels to grab stop losses and create momentum. Risk management. Always risk a small percentage of your account balance and never chase trades. Close the day once you hit your day target or after losing a certain percent of your account. Trading psychology. This is more important than any technical indicator. Your emotions can become your biggest enemy. Fear, greed, impatience, and revenge trading. The market rewards discipline, not excitement. Indicators. These are tools, not magic signals. They should support your analysis, never replace it. Use few to avoid confusion. Backtesting and demo trading. Before you trade with real money, you need to backtest your strategy. After backtesting, practice on a demo account. This builds confidence without risking real money. Like, share, and follow for more.